Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 and this question is related to electronics. In the circuit shown, the PNP transistor has VBE of 0.7 volts and beta of 50. Assume that one RB is equal to 100 kilo ohms. Assume that RB is equal to 100 kilo ohms. For V0 to be 5 volts, what is the value of RC? To get V0 is equal to 5 volts, what is the value of RC? We are going to calculate from this circuit. So what was given is V0 is equal to 5 volts. V0 is nothing but voltage from this terminal to ground. So voltage from this terminal to ground is nothing but this is positive terminal and it will be negative terminal. So here it is, this is PNP transistor. So the current flowing through this one is IE and the current flowing through this one is nothing but IC. So we can write I V0 is equal to IC into RC. So from this one we can calculate the value of RC is nothing but V0 divided by IC. V0 divided by IC is nothing but V0 divided by beta times of IB, and beta value is going to be given, it is nothing but 50. So V0 divided by 50 times of IB. Okay, so if you are going to calculate IB current at that time, you can get the RC value. So IB is nothing but current flowing through this one. This is what IB. VBE is given. VBE is nothing but minus plus. Okay, so this is VBE is minus plus for the PNP transistor. VBE is negative, so that is indicated in this way. And assume that one the base current is flowing in this direction. So apply KVL across this loop. If you are applying KVL, base current is flowing in this direction, so that KVL across base emitter loop. So by that time we can write, you can start from this node and you can go through in this direction. Okay, you are going through this IB, so it can be written as IB times of RB, because actual base current is flowing in this direction, whereas we are going for a loop in opposite direction, so that we must take the positive sign. IB into RB plus VBE minus 10 is equal to 0. So IBRB is equal to 10 minus VBE is nothing but 0.7, which is nothing but 9.3. So RB is equal to IB is equal to 9.3 divided by 100 kilo ohms. 9.3 divided by 100 kilo ohms is nothing but, you can write it as 93 microamperes. Substitute this IB value in equation 1, so that RC is equal to V0 divided by 50 IB. V0 is 5 and divided by 50 into 93 into 10 power minus 6. So it will be equal to 1.07 kilo ohms. The value of RC is equal to 1.07 kilo ohms. So the right option for this question is 1.07 kilo ohms. Thank you.